The one who is leading is a warrior or warrior carrying malam, a traditional sword, and a sepi is a traditional shield. Now the people are entering the house of Hetman happily. This shows their gesture of happiness, and they are showing with the dance form. Salam Ka'a, Garos are known for hospitality. A lot of people are welcoming the guests like Hetman and the people of other villages who have come to the Hetman's house to celebrate one gala. After the sacrifices, and they threw the rice and local wine in front of the Hetman's house. After this, people come out to the courtyard of Hetman and dance. They surround the courtyard of Hetman and dance in a full swing. In the field, when fruits begin to come out, the monkeys come and eat the fruits. To chase away the monkeys, Garo people chase them out of the field by clapping hands loudly. And this dance form is showing that they are chasing away the monkeys from the field. Garo is a wild dove which is found in many parts of Garo Hills. This dance form is to show how doves pack with one another. Tukme Denna. During one gala, men and women faced each other, and women began to hit the dome or a feathered headgear of men so that it will fall down. And on the other hand, men began to shoot their hat so that the women cannot touch their domes. Hampir. When men work, women take care of them. Women, to show their concern and love towards the beloved partner, they chase away the flies with a piece of cloth. This dance is portrayed that women are chasing away the flies while men are busy working. Wangala is also a time or opportunity for unmarried boys and girls to choose their partners. They choose suitable partners for themselves. They look to one another and watching themselves whether they are suitable for one another or not. In easy words, this dance form is choosing a life partner. Dama Pekna. Unmarried men, after choosing the suitable partner for themselves, they goes to to the one they choose and block the way of a woman with a drum. Jakpar Prupa. This is the last dance form, and now they are waving their hands to say goodbye and thank you. Thank you, Supriya Mutela.
Thank you so much, my Garo brothers and sisters.